Life in career break. So, watching the kids in the city TV. There. They're there. And, oh, it's 1:50. Muna ako ang first meal of the day. Pizza and coffee. So, and in progress sad ang panghugas plato. So tanan in progress na, and well kana sila tanan nanlabasan ko nanlaba ko sa mga towel. This is my first time to laba again, kana. So I just do this. I remember I used to do this kung mami sa kondo, nanlaba ko like this. And I'm wondering what makes me so tapulan na. So kana ang mga gagmay. Then, dito ang, so, in progress sad ang halay. Diha sad ang halay. O, so, ali ako na kuan karon. So, akong goal for today is malabhan hurot. Dala na sad exercise. So, yeah.